Hello, PPLSI family. Chris Ward coming to you from Denver, Colorado. Share with you another way to leverage Google My Business to build your PPLSI business. Now, first of all, I want to announce something new. Google My Business is now called Google Business Profile. So from now on, you're going to hear me reference Google Business Profile. That's what I'm talking about was our previous Google My Business accounts. And today we're going to talk about leveraging photographs in your Google Business Profile. And I want to share with you because I received an email that was very eye-opening for me. And I want to share with you right here what I learned. So this email is a little dated. It's from January 19, 2022. But it just simply stated that your 39 photos got 1,882 total views in the last month, highlighting the most popular photo that I have with 395 views, which really tells me that I want to make sure that not only am I sharing professional photographs, but I also want to make sure that there's some content attached to those photos. So when you upload your photo, and I'm going to go into my Google Business Profile, you see it's listed right here up in the upper left-hand corner. You upload your photographs. Now, you can't add any content in the description. All you can do is just post photographs. So you want to make sure that you have the content in your photograph. And so I shared this one as just one of our testimonies from a member. The corporate office put this out. Simple. And you may be asking, well, where do I find these photographs? So right here over in the LegalShield Facebook page, so facebook.com/LegalShield, you see they have photographs with like these testimonies. So I merely just pulled that photograph out of the image or out of the Facebook post and then turned around and loaded it up into my page. Right here, you'll see the tab over the left hand just called Photographs. You'll see the plus key over here in the upper right hand corner where you'll be able to add a photograph. Now, again, reminder is that you cannot upload content, so there's no description in that. If you want to load a post, of course, that'll go into your post under what's new. So I think that this is an incredibly important way to leverage Google Business Profile to build your PPLSI business is by sharing photographs. Now, they all don't have to be salesy. If you have photographs from an event that you just recently attended, or perhaps you're sponsoring an event, these are all incredible things. Make sure that people still know that you are an individual and your business is attached to your personality. So I hope this has been a valuable content for you. Like and subscribe, share this with your organization for anybody who's leveraging Google Business Profile to build their PPLSI business. Have an incredible day and we'll see you over the top.